In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion blocks explained. If you're new to Notion or just want a clearer way to structure your notes, understanding blocks is the key. Everything you create in Notion lives inside a block, and once you get comfortable with a few essentials, you'll move faster and keep your pages clean and organized. Start by creating a block on a new line. Type A// to open the block menu. You'll see options for text, headings, lists, images, and more. Think of this as your toolbox. Whenever you want to add something specific, begin with the slash, then choose the block you need. This small habit keeps you focused and saves time hunting through menus. The most common block is the text block. It's the default for writing, perfect for notes, explanations, and paragraphs. As you type, each new line becomes its own text block, making it easy to keep ideas separate and readable. Use this for the body of your content, and let the other blocks provide structure around it. Next are headings, which help you shape the page. Type /H1, H2, or H3 to add headings of different sizes. Use H1 for the main title or major sections, H2 for subsections, and H3 for finer details inside those sections. A clear hierarchy makes long pages easier to scan and helps you return later to find what you need quickly. For quick task management, use the to-do list. Type /to-do to create a checkbox you can tick off when finished. This is great for action items beneath a heading or as a lightweight checklist. Keep your to-dos short and clear so you can see progress at a glance. When you need lists, you have two quick options. For a bullet list, just type a dash and a space to start adding simple points. For a numbered list, type 1. And a space to create an ordered sequence. Use bullets for ideas and unordered notes, and numbers when sequence or priority matters. Lists keep information compact and easy to digest. Finally, use the page block by typing /page to create a nested subpage inside your current page. This is perfect for breaking a big topic into dedicated spaces, like turning a section into its own document, while keeping everything connected and tidy. With these basics, creating blocks, text, headings, to-dos, lists, and pages, you'll have a solid foundation for building clear, organized Notion pages that scale with your work.